In this video, I'll show you how to track an Amazon package on computer. Firstly, on a browser on your Mac or PC, navigate to Amazon website. Make sure you are logged into your Amazon account. Click on Returns and Orders at the top right corner of the page. On the Your Orders page, scroll through the list to find your order you want to track. Once you locate the order, click on Track Package next to it. You will be directed to a page displaying the order status, including the estimated arrival date and any tracking updates. So, that's it. By following these steps, you can easily keep tabs on your Amazon package and know when you can expect its arrival. Thank you for watching, guys, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.